Back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to solve equations using Photomath. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to solve equations using Photomath, all you got to do is simply go to Photomath. Once you're in your Photomath, you need to now simply get logged in into your account. After this, to solve your equations with it, you need to open the app and use your phone's camera to frame the equation within the red box. So once you have simply scanned the formula with the phone's camera and got the equation within the red box, you need to tap the capture button to instantly get the answer and detailed step-by-step solution for understanding how to solve it. You can also manually input problems using the built-in calculator or resize the camera view for better scanning. So once you have done this, you will be able to simply solve your equations using your Photomath. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video. We will be back again really soon.